Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 tools you should buy if you're going to start working on your own car. Now the first thing is a good ratchet and a set of sockets. Now you don't have to spend a small fortune. This ratchet is an old one I got for Sears. I've had it for 20-something years, and heck, most of the Sears aren't even around anymore. And my socket set is a mishmash of stuff I bought over the years, but you can buy any decent one. Just make sure you're working on a modern car, they're metric. Mine goes from 8mm up to 19mm. That'll fit most things you're working on. Now the second tool is a jack and jack stand. You're gonna need that to jack the car up, get the tires off, fix brakes, stuff like that. You're better off with a big solid jack like this. I bought this one when it was on sale at Higher Freight Tools. It cost me 69 bucks. It's worth spending a little bit more for a really good jack that can last you for years. And along with that, you want a good set of solid jack stands. I buy the steel ones. They're heavy duty. They last a long time. The aluminum ones are kind of light. These don't cost that much, and steel lasts forever. Now the third thing you're going to need to work on any modern car is a scan tool. I'm a professional mechanic. I have scan tools that cost $20,000. This particular one is a little Ansel. It costs about 40 bucks, and it does quite a bit. But if you're real serious about working on cars, and you have friends who are too, the Sactron costs a little over $200. And if you get together with your friends and each guy chips in, say, 40, 50 bucks, it fits every car, so you could share it. You're not going to be using it every day, so what the heck? Why not get a really good one and share it with your friends? Because these fancy tools, not only can they give you a trouble code, but when you push this code connect button, they can even give you suggestions as to what the most popular fixes are. In this case, it tells you the most popular fix is a new camshaft activator valve, which is a very common problem in VVT engines, and this figures it out pretty fast. Now the next tool is actually a set of tools. You need common hand tools like cutters, pliers, screwdrivers. Now being a mechanic, I bought mine from various places over the years. But hey, you can go and buy one of these tool kits that has all of them all together, even with a little box. They're real handy. You can even leave them in the trunk of your car so you don't have to worry about them falling all over the place. And having them all in one little box is kind of cool, because the main reason I have a lot of different types of tools in my sets are because I keep losing them. If I put them all back in the right place, then I wouldn't have that problem myself. The fifth and last tool you really need to have if you're starting to fix cars is a good set of jumper cables. They need to be thick, heavy wires, and when you look closely here, you can see it's copper inside. It's not aluminum. Over the years, I've had many customers say, well, Scotty, I tried jump starting my car, but it didn't work, so I know it's not a bad battery. So they towed the cars over to me. I put on my jumper cables, they'd start right up, and I'd say, let me see your jumper cables. And they were cheap, thin aluminum jumper cables. Mainly all they did when you hooked them up was they got real hot inside, and they didn't send enough power to start the car. So now you know the top 5 tools you need to fix your own car. Heck, you don't need all the stuff I have, because I've been working on cars for 50 years. I have tools that I haven't used in 30 or 40 years. You don't need all this stuff working on your own cars. You can start out with just a few good ones that don't cost all that much money. And remember, if you've got any car questions, just visit the Scotty Kilmer channel. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.